Here is the 24-inch Hampton Bay Metarie ceiling fan, installed way up in my cousin's bedroom. I know this it's a Hampton Bay because of its pull chains. This fan is one of the fastest. I might put one of these in my grandparents' house. I bet that these blades were actually painted because I can see smears on that side. Here is the light, and that's its light pull chain. Now I'll demonstrate this fan on low. Oh, it's hard to grab the chain. It's actually pretty hard. It's got a great motor in there. This runs actually pretty smooth. This is the smallest fan in this house, a Hampton Bay Metarie. You can tell that this fan is small because it's 24-inch. This is actually, I think, the world's smallest ceiling fan, along with the Casablanca Walia. It's actually longer than that. I once had a Westinghouse Petite in my bedroom. By the way, here it is with its light on. Now here's medium. This fan's, I believe, the fastest in this house. It's really pretty fast. Actually not that wobbly at all. Of all things, it's not that wobbly. I like this one because it's in my cousin's bedroom. He's actually older than me, probably by the age of 13. It's actually got a really nice thing. Watch when I move the fan around. Do you see that? Ow, I just got hit with the blade. But that canopy just moves around. Owie, I just got hit by the blade. Now for high. That's not that hard to turn on. But this is really powerful. It's got a really it's got a really great motor in there. Ow. I got hit by the blade. It's the world's smallest ceiling fan. I'm afraid I'm gonna get hit by the blade again. I'm wondering if they should sell this without a light either. So I'll just put this back on low. Didn't actually go all the way. So, but it's back on low. Thank you for the world's smallest ceiling fan. I really wonder if they should sell this without a light. But anyway, this is me and my cousin's house. Way up in Ogden, Utah. I believe South Ogden. Maybe, but I'll see you soon. Goodbye.